Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for free. Well, guess what? It is already for free. ChatGPT, all of its limitations and all of its examples and everything that you need to know about ChatGPT, it's free. Now, because it's for free, as it says here, it can generate incorrect information and can produce different harmful instructions or biased content. Because it's still an AI and it's still progressing, you need to make sure that you use ChatGPT to learn and not to use for anything else. Now, if you want a more of a progressive ChatGPT, you can upgrade to Plus. Now, because this is ChatGPT 13, you can get ChatGPT 14. It has a faster response speed and it's got a new feature such as being able to read from videos, being able to read from pictures, but also if you show it a picture and you ask, for example, a person is holding 100 balloons and you show her the picture of the ChatGPT and you ask, what happens if the person lets go of the balloons? The ChatGPT will say the balloons are in the air. The ChatGPT Plus is a mega 100 times better than ChatGPT 13, but ChatGPT is already for free, so you do not need to worry. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.